You have to check out this cordless vacuum that I just got. Let me show you. This thing absolutely sucks dirt. This thing's really nice. I'm going to tell you the main reasons I bought it. First of all, hundreds of people are buying it every month. I base nearly all of my purchases on something new when I don't know how good it is. I base it on reviews just like most people. So I already found out most people who are looking for a cordless vacuum are going with this one. So it let me know, like, dude, you're good here, right? I like the white. I think that's nice. But what I really love, it's bagless. It's super easy to insert the battery. And here's my favorite part. It can easily be just a compact vacuum. Like, you could use this in your car with all 3 different attachments. Look how easy it is to maneuver between the attachments too. So you can use all 3 of these in the car as like an insanely high quality compact vacuum, or maybe for your couch and stuff like that. Or we can put the hose on, and this is at its longest setting, so it's a full-on just regular vacuum, which let me angle that here. I'll bring it back here a little bit, and you guys can see. This is a freaking full-on vacuum, and it's even got a light there on the front. So I love, now I've got a clean house. We just had the maid come this weekend, so we are good to go. But I love how easy it is to use. You got different settings, so it's got low and high. And I just love that this can be used so versatilely. Like, you can use it as a compact vacuum or a big one. Get this, it sucks.